On May 27, 2025, a historic move unfolded in Brussels as ministers for European affairs from 26 out of the 27 EU nations endorsed a sweeping €150 billion military initiative, signaling a dramatic shift in the continent's defense strategy. With Hungary abstaining, the EU forged ahead with a plan to centralize and accelerate its collective military development amid rising tensions with Russia and lingering doubts over long-term US military backing. The initiative, dubbed SAFE, short for Security Action for Europe, represents a major turning point in how Europe intends to address its defense vulnerabilities. It introduces an unprecedented model, joint loans totaling €150 billion aimed at modernizing and expanding the EU's defense production capabilities. These funds will be allocated toward high-priority sectors such as drones, air defense systems, missile technologies, and ammunition production, areas where Europe's industrial capacity is currently under strain. Developed as the first active component of a broader European Commission plan unveiled in March 2025, SAFE is part of an €800 billion strategy to rearm Europe in response to current global threats. The urgency behind this effort is rooted in the ongoing war in Ukraine and the emerging reality that Europe's military future must be less reliant on outside powers. The Eurodrone Mail, a cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle co-developed by Germany, France, Spain, and Italy, embodies this new direction. It stands as a symbol of Europe's intent to control its technological destiny, reinforcing the SAFE program's focus on sovereignty and strategic autonomy. This plan goes beyond just financial support. SAFE aims to eliminate the fragmented nature of Europe's military procurement, fostering better cooperation and standardized systems among national forces. It encourages joint initiatives that would streamline equipment compatibility across borders and drive down procurement costs. By prioritizing European-made systems and reducing dependency on non-EU suppliers, the EU hopes to fortify its defense posture with a distinctly European identity. Defense heavyweights such as Airbus, Thales, Leonardo, MBDA, and Rheinmetall are poised to benefit significantly. These companies will be central to fulfilling SAFE's industrial ambitions, building platforms and systems that meet EU-only design and production standards. To ensure these standards are met, the EU will establish a dedicated oversight body. This authority will be responsible for vetting all technologies developed under the SAFE umbrella, with a strict policy that prohibits components which allow potential foreign control or backdoor access, especially from the United States. This marks a critical push toward guarding Europe's defense infrastructure from external influence. The program also mandates that at least 65% of all military hardware financed through SAFE must be sourced from within the EU. Only a limited 35% of parts may originate from outside, a clause designed to revitalize domestic manufacturing, protect strategic industries, and boost jobs in high-tech defense sectors. SAFE's financial mechanisms allow for shared procurement strategies, particularly benefiting EU nations that have rapidly expanded their military budgets in recent years, including Poland, France, Germany, and Italy. Even countries outside the EU, like Norway, Ukraine, and potentially the United Kingdom, could participate under special agreements, further widening the program's impact and reach. As SAFE rolls out, its first funding waves are scheduled before the close of 2025, launching what could be a fundamentally new chapter in European military policy. With member states already having increased their defense investments by over 30% in the past 3 years, this joint procurement scheme offers a blueprint for a stronger, more autonomous Europe, one capable of safeguarding itself through shared strength, synchronized capabilities, and industrial self-reliance.